it's your girl Jessica, and welcome back to my channel on Keeping It Real Jessica. It's me, Jessica. So I know I've been gone for a long time, you guys, and I apologize for that, but I had like personal things to take care of, or like working a lot, and like school semesters coming up. August the 27th, I will be attending Columbia College. Yeah, getting my associate degree in general studies, and then after that I'll be getting my bachelor degree in zoologist, because I want to learn about animals and their species. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to install this wig that I have on now. So I got this wig from like a local beauty supply store that's around the way, and I really like it. And I literally just got this wig today, like around what, like 30 minutes ago or something like that. But I'm going to show you guys how to put this wig on. It's very easy. This will be a short video. It won't be a long video, because this process is very easy. And let's get into this video. And I'm just gonna put my hair like in a big ponytail, so this could be flat and I will be back there just like a little ponytail. So I'm gonna take my scrunchie and I'm just gonna have it in my hand, and I'm turning this way, and all I'm doing is putting my hair in like this back ponytail, you guys. You see how it's like flat up here, and I'm just gonna put in this like ponytail like this. I'm going to be using this edge control, as I am edge control. And honestly, you guys, this edge control, I love it so much. But the thing about it is, like, I cannot really find that perfect edge control to slay my edges, because my hair is so frizzy, and if I like put gel and stuff on my hair, it's just gonna frizz up. So I'm using this edge control to slick down my baby hairs. So I'm just gonna take like a little bit of scoops. Now that my edges are like laid in the front, I'm going to go ahead and take this like headband that I have. I don't use a cap only because it's hot outside and my hair gets like really hot in my head. My head gets like really hot. So I'm just gonna take this and I'm just gonna move it to like right here. Now that I got that down and pack, you guys, I'm going to show you guys the wig that I have. And this is the wig that I have. It's the lace front boss hair, first class hair. It's from Bossy Box Hair, and you could get this at your local beauty supply store, or you could get it on Stylish Beauty. Stylish Beauty carry a lot of their products and stuff, but I got this color in the 1B, so it's like an off black. It's not really black. And the style is MBLF 120 Kenya. It's like a wavy hair texture or something like that. And this is the wig, you guys. So the inch of this wig, I want to say it's a 22 inch. So, and it has like 3 combs. So it has like a comb right here. It has a comb right here, if you can see it, and it has one down here. So you guys, your hair will be secure. You don't need that got to be spraying stuff for your hair, because this has like 3 combs that will secure it all. So, and it has a strap. So if you got like a big ass head or a small ass head, you can adjust it to whatever size you want to adjust it to. And this, I would say, this part, I would say about 4 inches, I want to say. That's what it looks like to me. And it's like you could put it as a side part, you can put it as a middle part, another side part, or however you want. How you install this hair? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from the back. So I'm going to take it like this, right where the back comb is, and I'm going to put this over my head. Adjust it how you would like to adjust this. Make sure you put your combs in. If it's too tight, make sure you like adjust the strap that's in the back. Just adjust it to your liking. The size, I like to have them back a little bit, because I don't like them to be like all the way up here where my edges are. So that's why I put like edge control on my edges, so it can be like slicked down. And that's why I put this into like a back ponytail, because even though you can feel your ponytail, you can't really see it, because this is like some really thick hair. It's not thin. So just put it to your liking. Like, If you like it like this, if you like it in a side ponytail, I prefer it in the middle. This hair is really long, y'all. It looks good on the side. It looks good in the middle. It looks good in a way, but I'm gonna put this in the middle. So I'm gonna put mine in the middle. And I'm gonna push it back so it could look a little bit natural. A little bit of hair showing. And boom. That's how you install the hair.
You and your other situation through word of mouth. They made it seem so complicated. Is it over now? Or did you just say it 'cause you're anxious to get closer now? 'Cause I want you to be all over me, truthfully, honestly. I need to believe. I wanna let go, but I don't really know. I heard you got a girlfriend. Say it ain't so, you ain't on the low. I don't think I could handle it. I wanna go to another level with you, but before I do,
I want to thank you guys again for watching this video, for tuning in, and I do apologize for not posting a lot of videos, you guys, but I am working on it. I am trying my best to post as many videos as I can. You guys just be patient with me, please, because I know the last video I posted was like 2 weeks ago about like some natural hairstyle and something like that. So just please be patient with me, you guys. I will have more videos coming to you soon. You just have to be patient with me. So I want to thank you guys, and bye.
tell me you got an explanation.